we believe in Gauss. So Shurov is the director of the election committee in Russia. And actually, this is the graph that's being displayed at the protest demonstration. And what it shows here is, so this blue one is United Russia, that's Putin's party. And it shows you the number of election precincts where his party would get a certain percentage. And so there's a peak here at 50%, which is strange, but which is actually an effect that comes from rounding. And comes from the fact that there's lots of election districts with very few voters. So like if you have only 10 voters in a district or 10 people who cast their votes, then having a fraction of 50% who vote for Putin is quite possible. What's still strange and not an artifact of rounding is these peaks at 65 and 70 and 75 and 80% and so on. So strange peaks at round numbers. And also this fact that there's this distribution which doesn't give you a Gauss curve as it should, that goes over like that with so many places where they reported 98 or 99%. And also these strange graphs for the other parties which corresponding have 0 or 1% in really many election districts. So this is very strange, and that's what they display there with we believe in Gauss, but we don't believe in Shurov. I think this is interesting because this is people holding up mathematics sort of against things that they don't think are fair. And so that's also one piece of public display and demonstration of mathematics. So this was my round through images from mathematics. So I'm currently working on this book, and this is the draft for the cover that we have. So the title will probably be Mathematics, This is Not an Art, which is an expression in German which has several meanings, and one of them is something like, there's nothing to it, it's not difficult, which definitely is not true about mathematics, but still it's something that one can talk about. And this is my lecture about images from mathematics. Thanks for coming. Hope it's interesting.